Okay, TrendPredator Pro, looking at USD SGD, we can see that it's in a downtrend. It's a breakdown continuation, low hanging fruit. It's a 2-star quality setup, a trend trade. The monthly chart is bearish, the weekly chart is bearish, the daily chart is bearish, and we're breaking down the 8 and 4 hour time frames. We've got a first red day signal day, which was yesterday. We've got a first month, last month, that was also bearish, a bearish close. We've got 3 months of the market running higher. So we are in anticipation of a breakdown. Let's get into the chart. So, recap, downtrend, breakdown continuation, low hanging fruit into the rally from last week. Where is the money? All in here. Okay. It's a trend trade. Yes, indeed it is. We're front side of that bearish trend. It is 2-star. Why is it 2-star? Well, we've got a first green week. Last week, after 2 weeks of dropping, closed green. We pumped up inside of the previous week's lows. That's bullish. So we're running into what could be bullish territory. Okay. We are below last Thursday's lows, but pumping back up. That's somewhat bullish, but because we're still contained below last week's highs and Friday's highs, we're still biased bearish. As we can see, we've got Asia, we've got London and New York. Okay, all of these sessions are 8-hour candles breaking down to the downside. That's also why we are a 2-star setup, because we have plenty of shorts already in the market. Chasing this move might not be prudent, but nevertheless, the bias is bearish while we are below the London lows. If we come back up above the London lows, that is semi-bullish for a reversal trade back up to retest the breakout level, being the confluence of the closing price from yesterday and the breakdown level from yesterday, as well as last week's highs. So all of that there can be regarded as a potential resistance or a magnet for the price to come back up to. You'll have reluctant buyers for these buyers here to offload to. But that is not what we perceive until we get back above the London lows. On the downside, we have a naked point of control from last Thursday, along with the value area low. And we're testing the value area high. So until we get accepted within that value area, it is regarded as support. So depending on your broker, that is essentially where the prices come into, that area of potential support. So when did this signal kick in? This signal would have kicked in when we broke out of the London lows. Was there a trade? Indeed there was, and there it is. Beautiful trade into target below Friday's lows, taking money off, leaving some on into the value area high, but coming out with the breakout. So there's the money that was made on that trade. that the TrendPredator Pro signaled. Okay, so for further information about the TrendPredator Pro, there will be a description on how to get a free trial of this fantastic indicator. If you're a Stacey Burke trader, then this indicator has been instrumental in our collective that are trading the Stacey Burke system, with some adaptation with regards to multi-time frame confluence, but there's going to be more information about that throughout my YouTube channel and at FXStreet Premium Services. And I wish you all the best in your trading.